Wetlands are the most productive ecosystems on Earth, teeming with life. Birds have evolved extraordinary adaptations to thrive in these dynamic habitats. But how do they survive here? And what role do they play in shaping the wetlands? Take the grebe for example. These small, agile birds are built for underwater hunting with lobed feet that propel them as they dive for fish and crustaceans. Their dense plumage traps air, providing both insulation and buoyancy. Now look at the flamingo, an iconic wetland dweller. Its unique beak acts like a natural sieve, filtering algae and tiny organisms from the water. By feeding in this way, flamingos help keep wetlands water clear, playing a key role in nutrient cycling. Standing on one leg also conserves energy, helping them regulate their body temperature in cooler waters. Wading birds like ibis and spoonbills have long legs and specialized beaks that allow them to sift through mud for insects, snails, and other invertebrates. Their feeding behavior stirs up the sediments, aerating the soil and helping plants take root. Ducks such as teals and shovelers have evolved lamellae, tiny comb-like structures in their bills. These adaptations help them filter small plants and animals from the water, while geese are essentially glaziers. By feeding on wetland vegetation, they prevent plants from becoming overgrown, maintaining open areas for other species. Birds don't just adapt to wetlands, they shape them. As they forage, birds like ducks, storks, and herons transport seeds in their feathers or digestive tracts. These seeds germinate in new locations, promoting plant diversity across wetlands. Some seeds even rely on birds for dispersal to thrive in specific wetlands. Probing birds like sandpipers have evolved long, sensitive beaks designed for locating invertebrates hidden beneath the mud. These feeding habits help regulate the population of aquatic invertebrates and keeps the ecosystem in balance. Fish-eating birds like cormorants, herons, and pelicans play a crucial role as top predators. They help control fish populations, preventing any single species from dominating the wetland ecosystem. This maintains a balance that supports a variety of life forms, from algae to larger animals. Colonial nesting birds like egrets, herons, and terns often gather in large groups to breed in wetlands. Their guano or droppings enriches the soil and water with nutrients, especially nitrogen and phosphorus. These nutrients fuel plant and algae growth, supporting the entire food web of the wetland. But human activities threaten this delicate balance. Wetland destruction for agriculture, urbanization, and pollution disrupts bird populations and the vital roles they play. Restoring wetlands is not just about protecting birds, it's about preserving ecosystems that support all life. Efforts to restore and conserve wetlands, like replanting native species, removing invasive plants, can help revive these crucial ecosystems. Birds, in turn, are some of the first species to return, bringing life back to the wetlands. From seed dispersers to nutrient cyclers, birds are vital engineers of wetlands. Their adaptations allow them to thrive, while their presence helps keep the ecosystem in balance. Protecting wetlands means protecting countless species, including humans, that depend on them.